Okay folks, today I want to show you how to paint green armor, green Nurgle armor, which is more like a turquoise greenish tone. As you can see, I already airbrushed the basic tones on the figure and now starts the work. I will try to follow the light situation I sprayed on the miniature, so it's a starting point. I will show you how to paint the harnish of the figure. As you might see, I oversprayed when I airbrushed the figure because I usually don't like to mask the miniature that much, but it's totally fine. And it even helps the figure to be more interesting at the end. Because you have a different toning in the undercoat of the figure. Many people ask me about my erasing technique and how it works. I can show you again. In this case, you can see here's the darkest area and here's the most bright area. I will add pure ivory in this area. You can see here, pure and unthinned ivory, to create an opaque layer. Let's dry it. It's not that opaque in the moment, so let's do another. Sorry if I'm off cam, but it's hard to handle. Yeah, okay. Here in this area it's bright too, but not as bright as on the top. Or in the front, more better. So that's a mixture of turquoise and the ivory. So, and now, as you have this opaque layer here, you try to erase the border between the bright and the dark color. You achieve to erase it by adding lighter colors towards the brightest area and darker tones to the darker area. It helps a lot if the base color beneath the layers is already more or less the color you want to achieve. I have to say, for me this is really a game changer. because it speeds the process up a lot if you start to highlight it in a normal way and start from the darkest tone, paint until the brightest, until you reach the brightest, or in a different direction you start from the brightest and go down. It takes so much more time than just adding a blob of bright color and then removing the lines. I hope you can see it. The transition is already really good. I guess in the camera it's looking even more clean than real. Okay, basically that's it. Now all I have to do is do the outlining and then the edge highlighting. What is left is to do the edge highlights. I know edge highlighting is something many people hate, but that's the thing that helps to bring the figure to life. The good thing about painting something Nurgle-ish is that you don't have to be that, or you don't need necessarily to be totally clean. Okay. Now you see this side of the armor is more or less painted, the other side not. It took me, I guess, in real time, not more than 10 minutes. If you start with the right undercoating, it's quite easy and joyful to paint an armor. And it's a lot of fun for me. I hope you could follow me a little bit. Maybe one thing I can do here on the video is there are these bolts, and if you want to have the bolts quite cool, the first step is to paint them dark. Completely dark. And afterwards paint them bright. Oh shit, overpaint. Okay, even if you're long in the business, you can do mistakes or happy little accidents. like the most famous of all painters in this world said. Okay. Now the bowls are painted as well. Okay, this was a little excursion into painting green armor. I guess I will dive deeper into the theme of my erasing technique in later videos. I hope you saw something today you haven't seen before. If you like what I do, please leave a like or follow my account. I would be really happy if you leave a subscription. Yeah, enjoy painting, and always I wish you a lot of fun while painting.